with
Alicia.
Derek.
and of course you know me. So we're at the top of this really beautiful church and we just had to come up all these steps. How many steps?
I don't know.
I forgot to
Actually,
count. I'll count on the way down.
they were very tight though.
Maybe 500. So it was a lot of steps. We're a little out of breath, but we survived. And now we're here to look at the beautiful city. So let's take a look.
Oh yeah, with the tower? Yeah, that's crazy.
That is crazy, actually.
Alright, are we ready?
And there's the flagpole where we were just the other day. Thanks for watching!